This video covers expanding single brackets using the algebraic method. In the previous video, we looked at expanding brackets using the area method. Now we will see how to expand single brackets without the need to draw area diagrams. Let's just review the process of expanding single brackets using the area method. So if we have 3 times x plus 4, we can draw the area diagram, a rectangle, 3 on one side times x plus 4 on the other. And then we find the area of the two regions. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. So 3 times x plus 4 in brackets is 3x plus 12. Now let's have a look at doing that without using the area. When we have a number outside the brackets, it means that everything inside the brackets is multiplied by that number. So a 3 outside of x plus 4 means that the 3 is multiplied by the x and the 3 is multiplied by the 4. So we have 3 times x and then we have 3 times 4. And as we saw before, that's equal to 3x plus 12. Let's look at another example. 5 brackets x plus 2. So what that means is that the 5 is multiplied by the x and the 5 is multiplied by the 2, which gives us 5x plus 10. If we have 4 brackets x plus 1, then the 4 is multiplied by the x, which gives us 4x, and the 4 is multiplied by the 1, which gives us 4. Notice in this case, we didn't do the middle step, so you can go straight to the answer if you want to, or you can do the middle step if that makes it easier. Another example, 6 times x plus 3. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 3 is 18. Let's have a look at some more examples. You try these first. What happens if you have negatives inside the brackets? Well, you do exactly the same process. I recommend that you circle the negative to remind you that it's there. So in this case, we'll have 2 times x is 2x, and then we'll have 2 times negative 5, and remember that a positive times a negative is a negative, so 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. So 3 times x minus 2, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. You try these examples. Here are the answers to our examples from before. So 2 times x plus 7 is 2x plus 14, and 3 times x plus 3 is 3x plus 9. 4 times x minus 3 is 4x minus 12, and 6 times x minus 1 is 6x minus 6. Here's an example where we have a negative outside the brackets. the same rules apply. So circle your negative numbers. So minus 3 times x is minus 3x, and minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. What about if we have two negatives? Okay, so minus 2 times x is minus 2x. And remember that a negative times a negative is a positive. So minus 2 times minus 5 is plus 10.